In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in your Google Analytics 4 reports. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, reliable view of your data by filtering out activity that doesn't belong in your reporting, like visits from your own team. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the correct property where you want the filter to apply, and that you have the proper permissions to make administrative changes. From there, head to the admin settings. This is the control center for property-level configuration and where you'll manage data collection and filtering rules that shape what appears in your reports. Inside admin, go to data collection. In GA4, this area houses tools that affect how data is ingested and organized before it ever reaches your standard reports. Next, open data filters. Think of data filters as guardrails. They determine which hits are included or excluded from your reporting dataset as they are processed. Click Create Filter to start a new rule. You'll see predefined options that help you set up common scenarios. Choose Internal Traffic. This is the recommended way to keep your organization's own visits from inflating page views, conversions, and engagement metrics. It's especially helpful for teams running frequent QA or content updates who don't want those activities to distort performance. Enter a clear, descriptive filter name. Choose something that makes the purpose obvious to anyone reviewing your configuration later, like Exclude Internal Traffic, Main Office. Good naming makes audits and handoffs much easier. Now select the filter operation. For internal traffic, you'll typically choose to exclude, which prevents qualifying hits from appearing in your standard reports. Excluding this data helps ensure your metrics reflect real customer behavior, not staff testing or browsing. Next, choose the filter state. You'll usually decide between testing and active. Testing allows you to verify the filter's behavior before it permanently affects reporting, which is a smart safeguard. Active applies the filter to new data as it comes in. Remember that filters in GA4 impact data going forward. They don't retroactively change past reports. When everything looks correct, click Create to save the filter. From this point on, GA4 will process incoming data with your rule in mind, keeping your reports cleaner and more trustworthy. A quick final tip: document what you created, why you created it, and who approved it. Clear documentation helps prevent confusion later and keeps your analytics governance tight. That's it. Your data filter is set, and your reports just got a lot more accurate.